we are now in the last 5 letters of the English alphabet. The first letter V over here, you have to bite your bottom lip. So it will sound like van. Bite your bottom lip. For W, you have to put air into your mouth and say wagon. Wagon. There should be a lot of air. Wagon. The next letter, the grapheme is X, but the sound is X. That means you have to take out one sound along with the X. That is box. Box. Look at that beautiful box opening. Y says yo-yo. Do you like to play with the yo-yo up and down? Now the last letter and the animal is zebra in British English and zebra in American English. So you can choose to whatever you like, but both are correct.